Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to do the unboxing of Redmi Pad 2 Pro 5G. Okay, it is a newly launched tablet here. Okay, and we are going to open the seal and we are going to unbox this one. Okay, but first of all let me show you some details about this tab here. Okay, so it has 30.7 centimeter, which is 12-inch QHD plus XL display. Okay, and it is 120 Hz display here. Okay, it has 12,000 mAh mega battery. Okay, it has Snapdragon 7s Gen 4 processor. Okay, with dual 5G. So this one has SIM. You can insert SIM as well. Okay, and it has Dolby Vision Atmos immersive quad speakers. Okay, now this particular unit which I have purchased, it has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of memory. Okay, storage. So this is the tablet we have. Okay, now let's try to open this tablet here. So let me open the seal in front of you. So this is the seal. Okay, let's try to open this. So this is our tablet. Okay, it has very nice packaging, you know, just like Apple. Okay, they care about the experience here, that whenever you are opening for the first time, they want you to have a good experience. So let me pull it out. Okay, so this is our tablet here. Let me open this. So this is our 12-inch tablet. Okay, it is a very large tablet here. Okay, and let me put it aside for a second and let me show you what other things do we have. So beside the tablet, in the box we have this charger, 33-watt charger, and this, you know, Type-C cable. Then here what we have some manual and we have a SIM injector. Okay, so this tablet can have a SIM. Okay, so you can insert a SIM inside this one. Okay, and you can use it, and you can use mobile data, mobile internet. Okay, if you don't have Wi-Fi available, still you can be connected with the Wi-Fi. Still you can connect it with the internet with the help of this with the help of mobile data. Okay, so this is what we have here. Okay, I don't think anything else is important here. Yes, these are just the packagings here. So let's put this and this aside and let's focus on the tablet. Okay, so now this is our tablet. This is our tablet. This is a 12-inch tablet here, and let me show you my older tablet. So this is my older tablet. Okay, so this is a Xiaomi tablet here. Okay, and this is 11-inch. So let me show you the comparison here. So let me put it on front of it. Okay, so as you can see, my older tablet is 11-inch and this new tablet is 12-inch. Okay, so it is even larger display here. Okay, which is very good for watching movies. Okay, watching YouTube, watching content, and even for cloud gaming. I do a lot of cloud gaming, so even for cloud gaming this will be very good here, because I will be able to do cloud gaming at very high resolution. Okay, now let's try to boot up this device. So there's the power button here. Okay, so this is how it opens. Now first of all I need to choose the language here. So I'm choosing English India. Let me show you the full screen here. I hope you will be able to see full. Okay, so English. Next. So what other things we have to do? Choose your region, India. Okay, next. Terms and conditions, I accept. Next. So I am going to skip this one for now. So checking for screen, so no SIM card for now. Let's go next. Connect to any Wi-Fi here. I'm not going to connect yet. So let me skip here. Skip this one for now as well. Let's accept these for services. Let's go. Okay, next. So on this one you can select new font default. Next. Go to home screen. Next. So this has a Xiaomi HyperOS, which is basically the common between all the Xiaomi devices here. Okay, so let this one get happened as well. Okay, so continue. Okay, so this is how the home screen looks like. Okay, so this is my Xiaomi HyperOS and this is my Redmi Pad 2 Pro 5G. Okay, so this is a Pro device, so this will have even more higher configurations. You can use in landscape mode and portrait mode here. A lot of apps are already installed in it. Okay, but you can install your own apps as well. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, let me show you the camera as well. So okay, so it has a very decent camera here. You know, tablets don't have that much good camera as comparison to smartphones here. Okay, but for mobile meeting and for uh, Google Meet and those things, then for that this is a very good camera here. Okay, so this is the front facing camera and this is rear camera. Okay, so this is how it looks like, the quality. Okay, so this is the camera here and you have, now let me show you the settings here and let me show you the details about the tablet here. So this one is Redmi Pad 2 Pro 5G. Okay, it has 256 GB of storage, out of which 27 GB is used now. Okay, OS version you can see Android version. Okay, now if I go to detailed info and specs, then here you will be able to see more details as well. It has RAM 8.0 plus 4 GB. Okay, CPU octa-core max 2.70 GHz, OS version, Android version, model. Okay, and all those things here. Okay, so this is the unboxing of the Redmi Pad 2 Pro 5G. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.